Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to get rid of smells and stains, especially from curry, on your THERMOMIX TM6. If you've cooked something that has left stains or made your THERMOMIX a bit smelly, then you can do something with it, which is actually a great thing to do. You can add like 1 lemon cut in half to the mixing bowl and 2 eggshells. If you don't have eggshells, you could replace them with a bit of vinegar, like 50 grams of vinegar. If you don't have lemon, you could use 10 drops of lemon citrus oil. But if you've added an actual lemon or actual eggshells, then you'll need to blitz them. To do it, set it for like 3 seconds, speed 9. I won't do it now because I haven't added it, but do it, and once it's set to 3 seconds, speed 9, it'll blitz. Then you can add like half a liter up to a liter of water, and then set it to 15 minutes right here, and then set the speed to 2, and the temperature should be set to 80 degrees. So let's set the temperature to 80 degrees. Oh, I have it in Fahrenheit. 80 degrees Celsius, which is going to be like around 180 Fahrenheit. So somewhere here, and then let it cook. Then you should disassemble the bowl. I'll show you how to do it in a moment. After removing the lemon, the water, and everything that's inside of your bowl, and wipe it off with a paper towel. In order to disassemble the bowl, you can remove it from the base and then twist the bottom part clockwise and remove it. Then take the blade out carefully. Now there is this seal that you may want to remove, and if it's still smelly, you can soak it in like lemon juice, citric acid for quite some time, so that it soaks. Then yeah, let's put it back on, and now once you've wiped everything with a paper towel, you can put the blade back into place and then twist the bottom cap on. To do it, I recommend putting it at around a 90-degree angle, then slowly twisting it. At some point it'll jump in, so then you can twist it counterclockwise further, and now it's assembled, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.